This is how I, a dev with 20 years of experience, would rebuild an outdated site in the year of our AI overlords 2025. First, we spin up ChatGPT and say, describe the category and attributes of this website. I'm rebuilding it and I want to understand its content, goals, execution, etc., and then paste in the URL. With that on lockdown, we move to Cursor, V0, and Dribbble. Cursor will help us craft our prompts. Dribbble is for design inspiration, and V0 will build the new site. We're going to load Cursor up with data on how best to prompt V0 in 3 different ways. First, we grab the documentation from Vercel and V0. Google Vercel Docs, you'll find this web page. Copy that URL. You can add documentation to Cursor. So go to Settings, Indexing, and Docs, and hit Add Doc. Paste in that URL. Give it a name of Vercel is good, and confirm. And we scroll to the bottom, and we see that Vercel is indexed. The V0 documentation is very short, so I'm not even going to index it. I'm going to copy and paste it into an MD file and save. Now we're going to Google V0 prompting guide. This is where you take a little time to search through these results and see if there's actually any value in any of these. For this example, I'm just going to grab this top one. I'm going to copy it and create another MD file. Finally, YouTube. Search for V0 prompting. I like Greg Eisenberg, and I also like Toby Tackle's Tech. What we want here are the transcripts. There are several ways to get transcripts, but one of the simplest ways is to go open up the description, click on Show Transcript, and copy and paste. Now it's time to hit up Dribbble for design inspiration. I'm searching for professional services. Inside filters, I'm going to go by FFFF, which is white, and I will type clean into tags. Here, I'm just scrolling, seeing what catches my eye, opening them up in a new tab, and then we'll compare later. And for some reason, this one's catching my eye, so I think we're going to go with this. So I'm going to save this image out. And one last step, we need to get the content from the homepage of the site we're rebuilding. So we go in and we copy and paste that.